Proverbs 23:7 tells us, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. To me, that means garbage in, garbage out. With that in mind, Sharon and I love to read. Both of us love to read. I'm looking at reading more Christian fiction. So there isn't so much garbage in. I get the garbage in from everywhere. In the books, I don't have to. So today I want to talk to you about some of my very favorite Christian authors, so that maybe if you need something to read, it'll give you some ideas. Probably the most prolific and one of my absolute favorites is Karen Kingsbury. She wrote the Baxter series. It's about 25 books. So if you do not want to start a huge series, you might begin with some of her standalones or a trilogy she wrote, the Tuesday Morning Trilogy about 9/11, or just a standalone Oceans Apart. Both are wonderful. Another author that I enjoy is Terri Blackstock. The If I Live, and not long ago I read the Restoration series. Usually I read a book, I go to the next one, I've forgotten the first one. I don't think about things. The Restoration series made me think. Excellent book. Dee Henderson is another favorite author. The O'Malley series and Men of Valor. Great books. I like Irene Hannon. Irene Hannon she usually writes trilogies, and there is some, you don't know exactly what's going to happen, but you know how they're going to end. I don't care. I like the books. They give me enough of a racing heartbeat for me to enjoy them, but they are highly predictable. Other Christian authors, just off the top of my head, well, there's one more I want to mention specifically, and that's Bill Myers. He wrote a book called Eli. Eli is about the life of Jesus. It's set in modern times, and I don't think I had thought about the humiliation and the grueling punishment that Jesus faced before the crucifixion until I read Eli. Eli, to me, was a life-changing book. Other authors, there's Beverly Lewis, who writes a bunch about the Amish. An author that one of Sharon's friends suggested is Vikki Kestell, and she wrote the Prairie series, which I love, and she also wrote a science fiction series. I don't know how I'm going to like it. There's Robert Whitlow and Dan Walsh and tons of others. Please, if you have suggestions of Christian fiction authors, please share them in the comments. I'd like new stuff to read, and I'm guessing the people who are watching this video would also like to see some new stuff mentioned. So please comment below with your suggestions for Christian fiction authors. As always, thanks for watching Two Tired Teachers.